It's giving spring, yas. I know you want to come crochet this super cute granny stitch bucket hat with me. I know you do. Grab some worsted weight yarn and a 5.0 millimeter hook and let's go. Let's start with a magic ring and a chain 3. The chain 3 will count as a double crochet. And then we will put 11 double crochet inside of the magic ring for a total of 12 double crochet. We will slip stitch to join for round 2. We will chain 3 and in the same stitch we will put a double crochet and then we will put 2 double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 24 double crochet. And then you will slip stitch to join. For round 3 we will chain 3. In the next stitch we will put 2 double crochet. In the next we will put 1. So we will be increasing in every other stitch for round 3, and at the end of round 3 you should have 36 double crochet. And then you will slip stitch to join. For round 4 we will chain 3. We will double crochet into the next stitch. We will put 2 double crochets into the next, and that will be your repeat sequence. We will put 1 double crochet into the first 2 stitches, and then we will increase into the third, and at the end of round 4 you should have 48 double crochet. Go ahead and slip stitch to join. For round 5 we will chain 3. We will put a double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch, and then put 2 double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, skip a stitch, and put 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and that will be your repeat sequence for round 5. At the end of round 5 you should still have 48 double crochet. Go ahead and slip stitch to join, and then you will slip stitch all the way over into that chain 1 space between the double crochet clusters. Then you will chain 3 and then double crochet into the same space, chain 1, and then you will put 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, and that will be your repeat sequence for round 6. And at the end of round 6 you will still have 48 double crochet. Finishing up round 6, you'll slip stitch to join. You'll go ahead and slip stitch all the way over to that chain 1 space, chain 3, and then you will put 2 double crochet into that same space, chain 1, and then you'll put 3 double crochet into the next space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next space, and that will be your repeat round. I will meet you at the end of the round. Slip stitch to join, and go ahead and slip stitch all the way over into that chain 1 space. And for rounds 8 and 9 you will repeat. Round 7 you will chain 3, and you will put 2 more double crochet into that space for a total of 3, chain 1, and put 3 double crochet in each space all the way around, and you will do this for 2 more rounds, and I will meet you at the end of round 9. Slip stitch to join. Rounds 10 and 11 are worked the same. You will slip stitch to the first chain 1 space, You will chain 3, put 1 double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1. You will put 3 double crochet into the next stitch. You will chain 1, put 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and that will be your repeat sequence for this next 2 rounds. You will put 2 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1 all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of round 11. Go ahead and slip stitch to join. You will slip stitch into the first chain 1 space, and the next 4 rounds will be worked the same. You will chain 1, you will put 2 double crochet into that space for a total of 3, chain 1, and you will put 3 double crochet in each stitch around, chain 1 between each cluster, and I will meet you at the end of round 15. Slip stitch to join, and now we will be working on our brim. You're going to chain 1, that counts as a single crochet, going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then you're going to single crochet into that chain 1 space. You will single crochet in the next 3 stitches on top of those double crochets, and then you will single crochet in the chain 1 space. You will do that all the way around, and I will meet you at the end of the round. Finishing up the first round of our brim, we're going to slip stitch to join, and then we're going to single crochet, and then we're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then we will increase into the next. So that is your repeat sequence for this round. You will single crochet into 3 stitches, and you will increase into the 4th, and I will meet you at the end of this round. Go ahead and slip stitch to join. For the next round, we will chain 1. We will single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then we will increase, and that will be your repeat sequence for this round. You will single crochet in the first 2 stitches and increase into the 3rd, and I will meet you at the end of this round. Slip stitch to join, and for the next 3 rounds, our last and final round, we are going to put chain 1, and then we're going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and that will be the end. It's the quality for me. Look at Crocheters.